everyone, welcome to Simple Beauty channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make hair serum for hair growth. Hair loss is a problem for many people. That's why I thought to teach you this treatment today. The cases of hair loss are hormone imbalance and stress. Also the hair loss is due to cheap and low quality product or cosmetic will also damage the hair, even weight loss and age and anemia. Now we will see what are the ingredients needed for the hair treatment. We need aloe vera gel, coconut oil, vitamin E. Now we will see how to prepare this treatment. Take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. So then add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix them together. Now you can add vitamin E 1 capsule. Mix them together. Take a smaller container like this and put the serum. This is the serum I prepared for the hair growth. Apply this on your scalp with help of a cotton ball or brush. Do 3-4 minutes massage, leave it in for 1 hour, then wash off with shampoo. The serum will strengthen your hair from the roots and give shine and repair damaged hair and also encourage healthy hair growth. See you in next video.